Yeah, so second video of today. I've got my little jetpack spaceman dude here, and so now he doesn't rotate or flip, but he has got like a yeah, he's got like a functioning jetpack now, which I think whoa wee yeah, work in progress. I mean, I need to kind of tweak maybe the rotation speed and everything else. But yeah, I mean, you can kind of see what how it works, and he should like slowly return back to his central position. So there you go. But yeah, I think that's pretty fucking cool. Yeah, I mean, the only reason why I was doing this was because the tutorial that I'm following has a guide on how to implement a... Oh, it's out of focus, isn't it? Fuck it, I don't care. Yeah, the fuel system. That's what this is what I'm doing. This is all why I'm doing this, is to implement the fuel system correctly, and also to get the thrust working how I want in the post-humanity thing. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do is, yeah, when I work on the post-humanity again, I will add a private ball like for thrust there, and then I'll put it in the update method there, and then I mean, it's gone now because I've moved it, but that was governed, that called the is flying, but it still does because it's here, but it was like an if statement that calls that, and so that's basically what I'm going to do for post-humanity, is add that. But I quite like just mucking about with this jetpack. Hey, maybe Switch will want to have a jetpack bit in the game, who knows. So yeah, we've got this working. I will have maybe some particle effects, or that's what I need to work on, so that you can kind of, so like when you press the thrust, or so the jetpack button, like fire comes out of there, and that's quite easily done. I'm going to make a little animation, just draw the frames, like maybe 2 or 3 frames, and that'll do. And then I'll make a little animation, and then I'll turn that into a prefab, and then I'll add that as a parent of the player. And I haven't actually followed this yet on the tutorial because I haven't watched the rest of it, but this is what I'm kind of thinking should work. And then what I'll do is write a method that that also factors this in. So if is flying is implemented, then it will turn on the animation, which is going to be a child of the player character, the player object. So yeah, it's coming together, and that means I can add like a cool little flame effect or something to the spaceship. Because yeah, this thing is just like, I'm just learning stuff. I didn't want to kind of I don't want to like kind of do all this like kind of stuff in the post-humanity project, in case it just kind of makes it a little bit too big, and I kind of just wanted to play around with this without breaking that project, basically. So that's the sorry, so fucking tight. But yeah, okay, so there you go. Got a little jetpack man, and he flies about, and he kind of rotates in code, mind you. It transforms his rotation depending on which way he's pointing, and he'll thrust in that direction, and he will also readjust himself and change his rotation back to what it was at the beginning. It's a little bit slower, but you know, I think I could just change the normalized rotation speed. So maybe if I change that to 5, so let's give it a quick go. So to that. Oh yeah, that's so much quicker. Whoa!